Okay, well, hey everyone, this is technical stuff here. We're working on perhaps a way to get files better stored. We're showing here the movie that I want to be able to show on the website, and there's all sorts of issues involved. One is the way that I want the movie to be displayed. Another is where is it located? Okay, now the WordPress site actually exists as files very much like Windows, and the way you present a WordPress site is that there's files that are public, and these files become your website. The media files are, and that main place for public files is public_HTML. I didn't make up these names, that's just where they are. There's a bunch of things there that have been added. Some of this I've added myself. If you keep your files that you add outside of WP content, then they just exist as files that are in, or let me rephrase that, as folders that are in there that WordPress doesn't really seem to care about. Inside of WP content are the media files, among other things, and stuff that you sent to WordPress are files that exist in a subfolder named uploads. And what I'm trying to do is generate instructional files that explain issues associated with the robot. But it's my opinion that I'm not doing anything that anybody else doesn't want to do. All of these videos, everyone that advises tells me keep them at 5 minutes each. So instead of a gigantic video, it's just a collection of 5-minute videos. And the problem of 5-minute videos is it would be nice if they were all in one place. And I have been working on a set of videos that show how I made a video about the rotation of the robot's arm. And you can see I've just put in here's a little video that I made about the arm rotating, and this robot doesn't exist. It doesn't have any reality to it at all. It's all created inside of drawing programs, and I thought that was kind of cool and would make a series of videos as to how I did that. And so these videos I gave names to because each of these videos is about 5 minutes long. It takes a long time to explain how this is done. And each has this name, and I wanted to put them in a folder in uploads called Upload Instructional, because they're instructional videos. And this is where the problem started, because of the issue of registration of WordPress files. In other words, I can create the video file, and there's all sorts of videos that can be made. I thought maybe to make a video about just a little person showing, and my thought was, you know, I perhaps could just add this little MP4 video to the end of each of my videos to say where to go next. And finally, as we get to the end of the video, We want to remind everybody that we're glad you're here and we hope you had fun. We are always happy to have fun wherever we can. It turns out we're one of the lucky group of people who happen to use a computer where there's a little blue alien that lives inside the computer's central processing unit. As we all know, if you're nice and ask nicely and are kind, you may be able to persuade this little guy to give you some help. We asked him if he would help us show everybody where is the next one of our YouTube videos in this series, and he said, sure.